Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Ikmal bin Motar, and this is my partner team.
Hi, I'm Shahrul Muhammad Yusuf. Hello, everyone.
Uh, Today we are going to present for our mini project for the last assessment for the program for engineer about title billing system for telecommunication. Topic we want to talk about is a billing system, business and technology, flowchart, source code, testing and display output source code, and conclusion. For the billing system, for the first topic, I will invite Shahrul to explain. Shahrul?
Okay, thank you, Ikmal, for inviting me. And this is billing system, and we use Python programming language to create a program system with title billing system. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation its language constructs, as well as its object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. For example, another use with Python is web development, create a game software for Android software, and more. This relay system project created for telecommunication, yes, app. Okay, Iqmal. And for business and businesses, regardless of sector, are living, breathing, and operating in an environment where information technology is changing the landscape around them, transitioning from the backbone of an organization into the hands of customers, employees, and society. There is a continual shift toward service economy, with the services ever more tailored and personalized for the customer. And for technology, as technology has advanced for over the last 10 years, and a number of phenomena have emerged that, when combined, have rapidly and radically transformed the ability of businesses to construct customer services and products. Most importantly, the speed at which innovation and incremental improvement can occur has also increased for this century. And I give back to my partner, Ikmal.
Okay, thank you, Shahrul. Now I want to talk about flowchart planning system, about the program that we create. So let's see. Okay, first when we start the program, it will display, please enter your number phone and please enter your password. If I put the password 1000 and number phone 19481253, it will proceed to show my account. And I put the password 2000 and number phone 109516024, it will proceed for the Sharul account A1. If else is the false number phone or password, it will show your password or your number phone is wrong. Please try again and back to the main menu here. Now I proceed. If the password true correctly and number phone is correctly, it will show my account, prepaid account, Muhammad Ikmal, date and time. And also show the menu that have a five choice, one top up, two bestseller, add-on, and LTE data. Three for the switch to yes, and the four yes care, and the five to exit. Then it will show and ask to input. Please choose the option from this menu. If I choose one, it will be proceed to show the the display the value of amount top up that I want to choose. Okay. Now it will continue it here to display. Select the top up value RM. So the select from the value here. If then this have a if else. If I choose the value from here, it will be proceed. But if I choose the other than the value here, it will ask and force to and display put any number to back to menu here. So now if I put the amount here from the list, and it will be proceed for the display. Choose your method payment for the one and two. For the one is a credit or debit card, and two may bank to you. So display the select one of the option payment. So I need to choose one of this option. So if I choose one or two, it will be proceed. It's payment one, and it if I choose the two, it will proceed here. So I choose one for the payment debit card or credit card. So it will show and ask to put the name on card, display debit card number, month and here, and CVV, and please enter the verification code. Then proceed here. It will show again what I put here. It will be displayed here. So and then if the verification code true, and then proceed for the payment receipt. I will get the payment receipt for the payment top up here. So if I want to choose, I want to check the balance account, I need to choose zero. If I choose zero, they will be proceed here and show my name active and the top up here that I already pay, and then this display, and then it will display put any number to back my menu, and then I put any number, then I back to menu here. So if I choose one, it will proceed to back. Uh, yeah, I choose one back to menu. So if I choose one, directly back to menu. If I choose other than two number, other than this, it will else. It will false. So it will show display valid option. Put any number and back to my menu. So I put any number and I back to menu. So I back to menu here. Okay, now I want to talk about if I choose the payment too. Okay, I choose the payment for my bank to you. So let's see. Okay, if I choose two for the mapping to you, it will display please enter your account username, and then it will display your username is, and display enter your password. Okay, okay here if I put the correct password is a 777, it will be proceed because it asks for the password. So if I put the uh, wrong password, it will ask, say display the wrong password, please try again. Display put any number to back to menu. Say I put any number and back to menu. But if I put any other option, uh, other method payment other than one and two, is a false. It will display choose wrong method payment and put any number back to menu also. Okay, now I want to talk about if I put the correctly password 777, it will proceed and display please enter your verification code, and display your verification code is, and then the display for the payment receipt, and then display for zero to check the balance account also same, and then display one back to menu, and I select the choice here. If I choose zero, I will go to the balance account. If I put the one, it will be to menu. But if I put the any other number than zero and one, if else, it will display valid option. Put any number to back at menu also. So at here we are done for the method payment for the top up. So if I choose for the other than for I choose other option. So I choose two. Option two is a bestseller. So it will go to A. So this A. So if I choose two, so it will be true. So it will proceed for the display data 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 phone. So you will ask to choose uh, one of the five option here, and if I choose one of the five option here, I will be proceed. But if I choose the other than option here, it will be false. But it will show display choice is not available. But then it display put any number to back at menu. So I put any number and back to menu again. But if I choose correctly, it will proceed and display choose your method payment. So again, I need to choose one of one of two option here. One is a debit card and two is a maybank to you. So it asks me to put any option. So I put option one for the payment data one. So if I put the data one is a debit card, so same again. Ask for the name, debit card, month here, CVV and the verification code, and it will show again what I put here, and then it will show the payment receipt that payment is successfully. So if I choose one for the uh, one of the five option here. So it will proceed display about 10 GB, and then 10 GB also from the payment receipt, and then they ask for the zero to check the current data and display one back to menu. So I need to choose one of the two option. So if I select one, it will be proceed here back to menu. If I choose a zero, I go to the display current for the to check the current data in my account. So then if I done here to check the current data, it will display to put any number to back to menu. But if I choose the other option, it will be asked and display valid option. Put any number to back at menu. Then if I choose data 2, it will proceed for 7. 7 here. So choose data 2, it will be the same. It will be the display for the 15 GB for the payment receipt also. In the payment receipt also, they will take this value to put here. So same display 0, check the current data, and display 1 to back to menu, and I need to choose one of the two option. And if I choose 0, I go to the current account data and then put any number and back to menu. But if I choose one, I back to menu. But then other of the two option, I will else and display valid option, put any number and back to menu. This process uh, will be processed until the choose data for file. They also same. If I choose for the data 3, I wish for the 20 GB, this with the process is the same. I need to choose one of the two option. It will be I need to choose. Okay, if I choose 0, it will show my current data account and put any number back to menu. If I choose 1, I back to menu. If other than these two choice, I need to put any number and then back to menu. But if I chose 4, it will display for 30 GB. Then other the same, I need to choose one of the two option. If I 0, I go to the current data account and then I need to put any number and back to menu. And if I choose a 1, back to directly to menu. And if I choose the other than option, it will be else and display the valid option. Put the any number to back at menu. And it also same for the choose by. It will show the unlimited data and then display for select your choice here. Then if I choose 0, it will show current data and then back, I need to put any number to back at menu. But if I choose 1, I directly back to menu and other than two option it will be else and the valid is option and put any number to back at menu. But if I choose the other than the one of the 5 option here, 5 option here, it will be show else is false. Display your choice is not available. Display put any number to bet at menu. Okay. Now I want to talk about if I choose the other method here. It's method B. No method. If I choose, if I want to choose the other option, so I choose the option B. So let's see the option B. The option B is choose 3. Display, do you want to switch number from the other plan to your yes SIM card? And then if I and we display one is yes, and then the second option is display 2 for no. So they will ask please the choose your option. So if I choose the switch for the one, I will be true. I will be it will be show please enter your number you want to switch to yes and display your if I put the number the second it will show your request in process your number will change in 24 hours and then display for the thank you for the choosing yes and then I need to put the any number and back to menu back any number then back to menu then I if I choose the switch to for the no it will show display it will be display you don't want to switch number you put any number back to menu so I put any number and then back to menu but if I choose the other than option here it will be false it will be as and display valid option put any number and back to menu and then if I choose the 4 for the other option it's about yes care. Let's see again. Mm, 4 for the yes care and display and 5 the option 5 is a exit. So if I choose 4 it's about yes care. Okay, for the 4 is a yes care. So they will display for the do you want to any helps? It will display 1 for the yes and display 2 for the no. And I need to choose one of the two option. I put help equal to 1 for the option 1. I will proceed and display. Please refer to our yes care and I will be asked again. Please put 1 to go to our website back in my menu. And if I put 1, I will go to website and directly. I will go to the website YesK, and directly I go to menu. But if I put the other than one, it will be false. It will display valid option. Put any number to back at menu. So I need to put any number and back to menu. And then here, if I put the second option is a no, it will display you display put any number to back at menu. So I need just to put any number and back to menu. But if I choose the other than two number, it will be false. So it will display valid option, put any number to back at menu. So I just put any number and back to menu. But for the option 5, it's a for exit. If I choose the 5, I directly to end my program. So if I choose the other than 5 option here, I will be else. It will false. So it will be display wrong choice, and then display please choose option from the menu list from the from the here. So I directly back to menu. I directly, if I choose the other than 5 option, I directly need back to menu. So this all about my account option. If I put the password Syarul and number Syarul, it will be go to Syarul account. So I will invite the Syahrul to explain about his account. Syarul.
Thank you, Iqmal, for inviting me to my partner. And here I want to explain for my part for postpaid account. And previously, you already saw that he explained that for the first thing that before you get into your account, then you must be enter your username and your password. And after you enter the password and your username, that it will be show postpaid account uh, Shahrul Muhammad Shahrul bin Muhammad Yusof, and then it will display the real date and time. And at the same time, it will display menu from option 1 to 4, which is number 1 is bill payment, number 2 switch to yes, number 3 escape, and number 4 exit from your account, or the what we call it logout. Yes. And if I choose one, then it will display bill payment. It will display my account, Sharul Muhammad Yusuf, with my phone number 0109516024. And it will display at the same time, choose your method payment. And it will display two options, which is number 1, credit or debit card, or number 2, maybe to you, which is online banking. And then, uh, and then if I choose option 1, which is credit and debit card, and if it's true, then it will display name on card, debit card number, month and year for, for your credit card or debit card expire date, and then your display your CVV. And at the same time, it will display please enter verification code after you after you enter your name, debit, your month, year, and CVV. After that, please enter verification code will appear. And after all you through all this, and then it will display your name card, your card debit number, your card expire date, your card CVV, and your verification number, and it will show payment receipt after the payment is successful. After that, it will at the same time it will display zero check balance account and one back to account. And if you select choice number zero, it will display Shahrul number. If you want to check your balance account, which is choice zero, then it will display Shahrul Yusuf and also display your status active or not active. And after that, display put any number to back at menu, which is uh, what number you want to, whatever number you want to enter, then it will get you to menu. And if you choose number one, then it will get you to back to menu directly. And if false, then if you choose any number, then zero or one, then it will get false and display valid option. And put any number to back to menu SMS choice one. Okay, and then we move on to payment number two, which is mapping to you. It will display enter your account username and display your username is and also display please enter your password. After we go through that enter, then you will have to enter your password account back. If it's true, then it will display please enter verification code and it will display your verification code. After that, it will display the payment receipt if the payment is successful. And at the same time, it will display zero check balance account and display one back to menu. And if you select your choice, which is number three, choice zero, it will display to check your accounts Shahrul Muhammad Yusuf and will display status either active or not. And after you throw after and at the same time, it will display put any number back to menu. And you put any number and it will get you to menu. And if you choose number one, and it will directly back to menu, like the previous one that I already explained. And if it falls, it will display valid option and put any number back to menu, like choice one. Okay, let's get back to here. Number for the payment number two, if it false, then it will display choice wrong, choice wrong method payment, and it will display put any number to back to menu. And if you put any number, then you will back to menu. And for the password account, I forgot to explain what I'm sorry. But friend, if you enter any number than your password account, that it will false and it will display wrong password and please try again. It also display put any number to back to menu like else. Okay, let's move on. Okay, if you choose for and then we're in the menu, and if you choose number two, then you will see the display do you want to switch number from other plan to your yes SIM card. And after that, at the same time, it will display number one yes and number two no. that it will display, please choose your account at the same time. And if you choose number one, it, and if it's true, then display, please enter your number one to switch to yes. And then at the same time, if display your request is processed, your number will change in 24 hours. Display thank you for choosing yes. And for this switch, this is after you insert your number that you want to switch to yes, and then it will be back, and then it will be go to menu automatically. And for the option two is no, then display it will display you don't want to switch number, put any number to back at menu, then you enter the any number that you want, and if you enter, then you will back to menu as the previous one. And if you choose any other than two, then it will be valid option and put any number to back add menu like the previous one, like as the switch to, and it will back to menu. And we're in menu, whereas in we are in menu. And if we choose option three, then you will see that it will display, do you want any help? It will display either one, yes, and no. It will display, please enter your choice at the same time. And then you choose one, display, please refer to our SK website. At the same time, it will display, please put one to go our website back in menu. And if you insert number one, then it will automatically bring you to their website, which is SK website. Yes, this is the link. And then the program will automatically go to menu. And if it false, then it will show valid option. Put any number to back at menu, and it will be back. And if you put any number, then it will be back to menu. And if you choose number two, then you will be display, and you have to insert any number to go back to menu. And if it false, then any number, then number option one and option two, then at the same as display valid option for any number in back to menu, which is the same as the false as, and it will be automatically back to menu if you insert any number you want. And that's only for my part postpaid account. And I will invite my partner Muhammad Iqmal. Okay, Iqmal? Sure.
Okay, thank you, Sharul. Okay, now I want to show our source code. This is our source code. So now we want to move to other part is to testing and display output source code. So okay, wait, let's see our output source code. Okay, this is our source code, and we want to see how the source code work. So we will display and testing this source code. See. So firstly, our code will display welcome to yes as they get started, and they ask for the number phone and password. So I need to put the my password and number phone correctly. If I put the number phone and password Sharul, it will be to account Sharul. But if I put other than this, it will be else, so it will be wrong. So they ask for the password and the number phone again, until the correctly. So I need to, so I put my number phone to log into my account. So I put 109 is 4812534, and it will go to the my password. So I need to put my password correctly, 1000. Okay, now it will show to the prepaid account Muhammad Ikmal and then date and time, and then it will show this option from my menu by option here. So I want to test for the first option is a option one is a top up. So I put here one, and they will go to the top up value they provide here, 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So I put here 10 ringgit. So it will be asked for the option payment. So I need to put one of the two option payment. So I put here one. Will be to the credit card or debit card. If I put the two, it will be to my bank to you. If I put the else, it will be wrong. And they put any number to back to menu here. So I put one to the credit card, debit card number. So I put here one, and they ask for the name of my card. So I put here my bank, and it asks for the debit card number. So I put here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 for the debit card number. So I put here enter, and they ask for the expired date for my card debit. So I put here 07, and then 26 for the 2026, and then they ask for the CVV. So I put here 1 2 3 for the CVV, and then it's asked for the verification code. Verification code, it will be on my phone from my message, and I put here when I get the verification code from my phone. So I put here 1 2 3 4 for the verification code. So I put enter, and then will be proceed, and it will show the receipt payment. And that's mean the payment is successful. That's why it will show payment receipt. So here it will show my name, status payment is successful, and 10 ringgit already credit in your account. So I put so they ask for me to put any option, 0 to check the balance account, and 1 to back to menu. So I put 0 to back, to check balance account. So it will be show my name, status active, and the balance is 10 ringgit. Okay, then after this, they ask me to select any number to back to menu. So I put here 6 to back to menu again. Okay, done for the option one. So I want to show how method payment two function. So I put here again one to the top up. So I put again the value of top up. So I put 20, and ask me to for one of to the option. So I put here to option two, the maybe to you. So they ask for the username. So I put here Ikmal. So they ask again for the password my account bank. So I need to put the 777 for the account bank. But if I put the other password, it will be wrong. It will be asked to put any number to back to menu here. So I put the correctly password. It will be proceed for the verification code. So I wait for verification code from my phone, and then when I need to put here 1 2 3 4 for the verification code, and then I proceed again. It will be show the payment receipt, and they will show the status payment is successful, and 30 ringgit already in your account. So before I already show how the balance account work. So now I want to show if I choose one to directly back to menu. So I choose one. So directly back to menu. Okay, now if I choose the uh, second option is a best seller, I put here, then I it will show the best seller add-on and LTA data. I need to choose one of the five option. So I choose three option, option three. So it will show the show and ask me to choose your method payment. So I need to choose one of the method payment. So I choose again for the debit card. It's still the same. They ask for my card name, so I need to put a Maybank, and then they ask me for the number card debit number. So I put here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we will proceed for the month and years for the expired date card. So I put here 707 and 26, and CVV 1 2 3. And then they ask me the for verification code is the same process. When I get the verification code from my phone, I put here at 1 2 3 4, and then I enter, and then it will be show payment receipt is successful, and then they will show again RM20 equal to for the 20 GLTE data. So if I want to check my balance, I need to put zero. I check for my balance. So it will be show my name is Muhammad Ikmal, status active, current data, LTE 20 gig and available for 20 days. If I want to I just to put any number. So I put 9, and then I back to uh, menu. So if the option 1, I choose a debit card, but for the second option payment, it Maybank to you is the same concept for the top up payment. What the difference is also the display for the balance account. So I want to show again how I use the second method payment. So I put here, I choose for the 5 for the unlimited data, 35 ringgit for 30 days. So they ask me for the choose. I choose second method for the mailing to you. So they ask for my username. So I put my username Ikmal. So they ask for the password. So my password for the mailing to you is 777. So they ask for me verification code. When I get the verification code from my phone, and then I put here 1 2 3 4, and then it will proceed, and as the payment is successful, and then will show the 35 ringgit unlimited data, and then it will show the 0 for the current data and 1 to the main menu. So I put here 0. I put here 0 to check my current data. So it will show Muhammad Iqmal status active, current data, unlimited data available for 30 days. So I put any number to back at menu. So I put 6, and I back to menu. So now I want to show if I want to switch my any number to the yes number to from the other plan to my yes SIM card. So I choose the 3. I choose for the 3, switch to yes. I choose 3. It will be sure that it will be asked, do you want to switch number from other plan to your yes SIM card? As if I want to choose, if I want to proceed, I want to switch, I need to put 1. If I don't want to switch, I need to put 2. So I put 1 to choose. So they asked me to put the other number to put to your using card. So I put the other number. So 017 for 850503, and then it'll be tell you your request is in process. Your number 01758050503 will change in 24 hours. Thank you for the yes. So they asked me to put any number to back in menu. So I put any number 7 to back in menu. So it's done. So if I choose no, so I choose no for the switch number. So I show again. If I choose 3 and then I choose no, I don't want to switch the number, so I put 2. So they directly you don't want to switch the number and put in number to back menu, so I put 7 again and then back to menu again. So if I have any help or any question or any whatever to about yes, I need to put yes care. I need to choose yes care. I choose 4 for the yes care. So it will be asked, do you want to any helps? So if I put 1 for the yes, is I put 2 to the no. So I put 1 to the yes, but because I want to help from the yes, so I put 1. So the will tell you about, please refer to our yes website, yes care website. Then they ask again, they tell again, please select 1 to our website and back to menu. That means if I put 1, I will go to website and I will directly back to menu here. So I try. So I will put 1 to show and I will back to menu and directly I will open the website for the yes care. Okay. So this how's my uh, uh, program to the my account work for the prepaid. So in the back to menu, if I want to uh, log out, I want to log out from my account, I choose the file. Before that, I want to show if I choose other number from here, it will proceed something like this. It will be this. I choose 6 other than 5 here, and then it will ask you, Warren choose, please choose option from the menu list. So that's mean it will ask you to put this choice only. So if I want to log out, I put here 5, and then I directly log out and stop the program. So this is for my account program work. Now I want to invite Sharul to uh, explain about how the postpaid account his postpaid account work. So Sharul, can you explain?
Okay, thank you to my partner Iqmal. And without further ado, let's go to my postpaid account. This is my number. Let's start 01091602. And this is my password 2000. Yes. And this is it will display postpaid account and my name and the real data and the real time date and time. Okay, let's try if we put a wrong password. And let me check out. And okay, I put my number here. Then I put a wrong password. And then it will display your password or your number phone is wrong. Please try again. Welcome to yes. And it will back to main menu. It will have you to try again. Okay, let's get move to the things. Now enter my password 2000. It will display this postpaid account, my name, real date time, real date, and real time. And if I choose bill payment, And this is my bill for my postpaid account. And we show my name or username, my number, and my postpaid bill that I have to pay is RM 50 ringgit per month. So I have to pay 50 ringgit every month, and it will display choose your method payment. Either you want to credit, debit, or moving to you. So let's try credit. And my name on card, okay, I just write on my name on here to show you my debit card. So the month, so month, year. So I'll take monthly, my debit number, 2024 for CVV. And as Igma explained, the verification code comes from your phone. And here I will display the payment receipt, your real time date, real time, my name, my status payment, bill payment successful. That means my bill is successful, pay for 50 ringgit. So I will display option 1, 0, option 2, 1, back to menu. So if I want to check my status account, I just put number 0. And it will say here, I display my name and the status is active for 30 days. And you have to pick any number to go to menu. So I choose number 5 and it will get to menu. So let's go proceed to choose number 2. Option number 2, switch to yes. And I will display, switch to yes. Do you want to switch your number from other plan to yes SIM card? Do you want or no? So let's just say yes, option 1. And please enter your number you want to switch. Yes. Okay, which number? So I put my second number, 0109 441278. And as the previous, it's like Ikma explained before. It's same as the prepaid account. Same goes to postpaid account. Where if you want to switch to yes, let's go proceed. This is the number after you enter what number you want to switch to yes, and you display your requisition process, your number. The number you enter here will change in 24 hours. Thank you for choosing yes. Same, like before, put any number to back to, and also I choose number 6 before, because before I choose number 5. Let's choose number 6. And it will back to menu. So let's proceed to option 3, yes care. So let's choose number 3. Let's see what's going to happen. And it will show yes care. Do you want any help? No? Yes? So let's choose number 2. No. Then put any number. So I choose number 4. You will back to menu. Okay, let's try again for option 3 if you want to go to yes care. We already test number 2, option 2. So let's try option 1. And it will display if you enter your end user. Please refer to our ESK website. Please put 1 to go our website and back in menu. So let's proceed. option, and then we'll go to yes website. As you can see, there's only for yes care, and then it will automatically get you back to menu. And let's try if we exit this program. We choose option number 4, and the program is done. And that's only from me. And I want to pass to my partner, Muhammad Iqmal, to go for conclusion.
So now we are at the end of the presentation. Now we at the conclusion. In the conclusion, the advance of technology merely reflects the ability of humankind to access and applying physical device to increase the quality of life and efficiency of business. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. There's Thank you for watching our presentation about our mini project billing system for telecommunication. Uh, Thank you. So back to Sharul. Do you have anything to say?
A little bit. Thank you everyone for watching.
That's all.
Yes, that's all.
Okay, that's all from us. So we end at here with Assalamualaikum.